Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So look what I've got from a consignment store. Yes, I've got a Lindy 30 in Rose Sakura color. I'm really excited and I haven't unboxed this yet. So let's do an unboxing video today. And also this, like I said, I've picked up this one, I ordered this one online from a consignment store based in Melbourne. So I've got this lovely card here and it says the Persephone. Yes, this store. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump into it. Let's see. I would really like to do like here. Yes, Lindy 30 in Rose Sakura color. It is a huge bag, I reckon. Yes, I get this bag. I got this bag below retail price, of course, because this bag only comes with a dust bag and there's no other accessories. I don't think so. No box, which is good. I really don't need any more of this box. Let's see. I'm so excited. The reason I want this bag is because I'm going to travel pretty soon. So I need a travel bag, which is practical and useful. I don't need any teeny tiny bag or small bag or mini bag, really. So actually, yeah, I'm selling my Louis Vuitton Capucines mini recently, you know. So, and if I have to sacrifice one bag, that should be a mini bag. So, well, look at this. This one is in Swift leather. It's on their website, and I also did some research on the stamping. It's stamp X, which means it was manufactured in 2016, and the condition, it says, is 9.8 out of 10, pristine. It's in pristine condition, new. Okay, let's the 10 lock. So this one is definitely a bargain because it's below the retail price, and you know, it's in an Hermes bag. You can't really get that in store unless you keep buying things from them. And it's just only one time that I went there and bought a few pieces and bits and pieces, and that's it. Let's open up this bag. Oh. Yeah, take back the certificate here. Yes, you know, just one thing is good of purchasing stuff from a consignment store is because you don't need to get this authenticated again. Unlike you have to purchase, unlike Vestiaire Collective, you know, if I buy items, actually I've never purchased any bags on Vestiaire Collective because I've heard so many horrible stories that those people, they were scammed, something like that. So yeah, I was always mindful when it comes to purchasing a second-hand bag. So yeah, the stamp is in here and it's really roomy, and you can see the side pocket is in here, and also you've got this, the side pocket as well. And also I cut my nails before unboxing this because, you know, I've read something about the Swift leather that it's a bit prone to scratch. I love Rose Sakura. I don't know, the camera didn't pick up the true color of this bag. Actually, it's really beautiful baby pink. Let me find another angle here. So I turn off the light. Here it is just under the natural light, but I don't know why the camera doesn't pick up the true color of Rose Sakura. So I just have to let you know that it's so beautiful in person. It's more beautiful than Mauve Sylvest. Yes, and I always wanted a bag in Rose Sakura. Also, I need to review another item from Fashion File. So this one is also from Hermes. It did come with a box, but I just threw it away. Yeah, it's beautiful color. So I reckon this one is not, this one is Rose Sakura as well, is it? Yeah, but this one is like more pinkish than Rose Sakura, because this one is kind of like pale pink, and the strap of the watch is kind of like pink. Yes, anyways, I think they're a good match. So if I'm gonna wear this watch, so I will carry this bag. And this one does come with a booklet. So actually I bought this one earlier in the middle of this year in July, I reckon. So but I didn't reveal this item is because yes, for a watch it's really hard for me to think of this, but I like the design, I like the craftsmanship, I like everything about this watch. Yes. And yeah, actually also this shoulder strap. Okay, I'm 163 centimeters, which is equivalent to 5'3" or 5'4", 5'3" or 5'4", and size 30 is perfect for me, and it's perfect for traveling. And because you need to have a look at this, how roomy it is. Okay, yes, and I'm glad if I will have to sacrifice one bag to get this Lindy bag, I will definitely have to sell one of my mini bags. Yes, I guess the mini bag trend is not as strong as 2 years ago. Maybe it's time for us to consider purchasing some bags that are useful. Yes, so perfect for traveling, but I'm not sure whether I'm going to purchase a bag organizer. In the past, I really bought countless bag organizers. They just didn't work. They didn't fit in my bag, and I really don't know what to do about this. I really don't know what to do about this. This baby pink. Well, righty. So thanks for watching my video. I will see you in next one. Happy holiday. Bye.